Today we are making my homemade cheddar cheese sauce from scratch with wholesome ingredients and simple steps. This will replace any of the store-bought melted cheese, cheese sauce, cheese dip that you can find. It's so easy to make. Let's go make it. You can find my full written recipe link down in the description below. Just click the link, it'll take you over to the blog where you can print and save anytime. I have tons of serving ideas over there. You can use it for tortilla chips like nachos. You can use it for walking tacos. You can also use it for pretzels and dipping anything that you would like. It's such a good cheese sauce. You can use it for so many different snacks and dishes. So let's start making it. To get started, you'll need a small saucepan. If you don't have a small one, you can just use a medium one. And we'll need a whisk. And then we're going to put our saucepan on the burner and add 2 tablespoons of salted melted butter. We're gonna melt that over medium heat. And then while our butter is melting, you can grab some mild cheddar cheese and shred it. We need about 1 cup. I always like to do a little bit of a heaping cup, as you can see. So for this, I always like to grab a block of cheese and shred it at home. It just melts so much better than the pre-shredded at the grocery store. The bags of pre-shredded cheese at the store are covered in anti-caking agents, which make them a little bit harder to melt, and they won't really come together as well in your cheese sauce. So I recommend using a block and shredding it at home. If you're in a rush or you don't have that and you want to make this right now, go ahead and use the pre-shredded, but I recommend doing this if you can. When your butter is melted, we'll turn our heat down to low, and then we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And then you'll grab your whisk, and we're just going to whisk this to combine. Right now we are making our roux. This is gonna help thicken our cheese sauce and make it so delicious. We're just gonna let this cook on low for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. After our roux has cooked for 1 to 2 minutes, we're gonna add in 2/3 of a cup of milk. I like to use whole milk, as well as 1/2 of a teaspoon of sea salt. And then we're going to whisk to combine, just to stir everything together. Now we will turn our heat back up to a medium, and we're gonna add in 1 cup of that mild cheddar cheese that we just shredded. Now we are going to just whisk this to combine to melt all of that cheese for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. As we're doing this, we'll begin to see our sauce thicken up just a little bit. So we are going to now add in 1/2 of a teaspoon of distilled white vinegar. This helps balance all of the flavors, and cheese can get a little bit sweet whenever it's in a sauce like this, so then that little bit of acid helps balance everything out and makes it savory and so delicious. Once you've got that combined in there, we're going to take it off the heat and you can enjoy it right away. This is the consistency we are looking for, and I do want to mention, as the sauce begins to cool, it will get a little bit thicker. Just keep that in mind. After this cheese sauce sits in the fridge, it's just like the jarred kind you would get at the grocery store that's pre-made. Look how thick that is. We're gonna have this cheese sauce on some nachos. I'm doing a little bit of tortilla chips, some shredded chicken over the top, and then we're going to put the cheese on top of that and make some really good nachos for lunch. My husband and I love that. Let's give it a quick try. That is so good. It's cheesy, it's savory, it's the perfect dippable texture. It is so good. I hope this recipe finds a special place in your kitchen this winter. It's such a cozy snow day snack. Until next time, go love your family and serve God 1 recipe at a time.